Character consistency is a problem for every AI content creator, especially face consistency. Ideally, in ComfyUI, you can use face LoRA for this, but it is not easy for everyone to train one. It requires a powerful GPU, and it is not an easy process for beginners. So the best option is to use face swapping custom nodes, which use only one reference image instead of a LoRA trained on your character's face, and the ideal node is Reactor. In this video lesson of the ComfyUI beginner tutorial series, I will show you how to install and use Reactor. I'm using ComfyUI Portable with the Manager plugin installed for this tutorial. If you are new to ComfyUI, please watch the first 4 video lessons of this series before going forward. For those who already have ComfyUI and Manager installed, let's get started. First, let's complete the prerequisites. We need to install the InsightFace library to use Reactor custom nodes. While you are in the ComfyUI portable root folder, type CMD in the address bar to open the command panel. You need to know which Python version you are using. Type this command to confirm the Python version. By the way, all commands and links are in the description of this video. As you can see, I am using Python 3.13. Go to this GitHub page and download the InsightFace file according to your Python version. Move it to the ComfyUI portable root folder. Now open the command panel again and type and run this command to update the installer. Next, type this command to install InsightFace. This will take some time. Now type and run this command to install the Onnx-GPU files. Now start ComfyUI to download the custom nodes. Open the manager and go to the custom nodes manager. Search for Reactor and install this custom node. Now restart ComfyUI. It will take some time to restart as it will install a few files automatically. If it seems like the restart is stuck, shut down ComfyUI and start it again. Now it is time to build our workflow. I'm using the ComfyUI default workflow as a base. If you do not know how to get it, just close all windows in ComfyUI and you will have your base workflow. Load your base model in the load checkpoint node. I'm using SD 1.5 Cyber Realistic because it is low VRAM friendly. Set the K sampler to Euler steps 20 and CFG 7. Double-click an empty area to add a node. Search for and add a load image node. Then add your face reference image here. Add the Reactor fast face swap node. It will work as the engine that swaps the faces. Connect the input image to the image output of your VAE code. Connect the load image node to the source image. Connect the swapped image output of the Reactor node to a save image node. I'm not changing the settings yet because I want to keep this lesson beginner friendly, but just so you know, the face restore model fixes the low resolution eyes and teeth that can happen during a swap. Face restore visibility controls the strength of the clearest face, and 1 is the highest strength. Code former weight keeps it looking natural. If it looks too fake or too smooth, lower this to 0.3. Detect gender input. Keep this off unless your image has multiple people and you only want to swap the men or the women. Now, let me add the prompts and run it to generate an image. Not bad, very photorealistic and nicely swapped. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye.